recently picked up this Sim Lab XP1 3-pedal set for a killer price, almost half off. Brand new, these go for around $550 for the throttle, brake, and clutch combo. Mechanically, everything looked great, and the pedals felt smooth. But the first time I plugged them in, I spotted a big issue. The clutch pedal wasn't working at all. The first thing I did was test the clutch pedal itself. I swapped its cable into the throttle port on the controller, and it worked perfectly. That told me the clutch hardware was fine. The problem was somewhere inside the controller. Inside, we start with the USB-C connector. That's how the controller talks to the PC. Following the PCB traces, they lead into the main microcontroller, made by Microchip Technology. From there, we've got the HX711 precision load cell, amplifier for the brake, powered by a 3.3 volt regulator. Then we see the connectors for the throttle, brake, and clutch inputs. Both the throttle and clutch use Hall sensors to detect movement, but their tiny output signals need boosting before the microcontroller can read them. That's where two operational amplifiers come in. When I measured the output of the clutch's op amp, there was no voltage at all going into the microcontroller. Bingo, that op amp was dead. I ordered a replacement precision op amp from Texas Instruments. It cost just over $2, but before buying any replacement, it's important to check that the voltage range, bandwidth, and other specs match the original. To replace it, I first applied some low melt solder to the pins, then used hot air to carefully lift off the damaged op amp. Cleaned the pads, added a thin layer of solder, align the new op amp perfectly, and refloat it into place with hot air. With the new op amp installed, it was time for the moment of truth. I plugged the controller back in, opened Race Director, and there it was. The clutch was back and working perfectly. So, if your clutch, or even your throttle, stops responding, and you confirm the pedal itself is fine, there's a good chance the op amp on the controller board is the culprit. For less than $3 in parts and a bit of soldering, you can bring your Sim Lab XP1 pedal set back to life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more sim racing repair content, and stay tuned. I've got more fixes and deep dives coming soon.